In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create API keys in BigCommerce for your developers. This process is relatively straightforward, but it's essential for integrating custom applications and services with your BigCommerce store. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the BigCommerce website. Once you're there, locate the Login button. It's typically found in the top right corner of the home page. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. That's your email and password associated with your BigCommerce account. After you've entered this information, go ahead and click Login again to access your BigCommerce dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the BigCommerce homepage. Your next task is to navigate to the Settings section. This is usually located somewhere on the left sidebar in the dashboard area. Click on Settings and you'll be presented with a list of settings options. Here, you'll want to scroll down until you see the section labeled API. Clicking on this section will direct you to the API settings page. Once you're on the API settings page, you'll see an option for store-level API accounts. Click on this to continue. On the store-level API accounts page, the next step is to create a new API account. You'll see a button labeled Create API Account. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll have to make a decision between a v2, v3 API token and the Stencil CLI token, depending on what best suits your needs. Make your selection with care. Now it's time to give your new API account a name. This could be something descriptive that will help you remember its purpose later on. After naming, you'll be presented with an option to choose between local development only or publish theme. This choice depends on the purpose of your API integration, so select the one that aligns with your use case. With everything set, click Save to apply your changes. Once you save, a document containing important API details will automatically download to your computer. This document is crucial as it contains information you'll need for your API integrations. Alternatively, there might be an option available to copy these details directly from the screen. Finally, once you have saved your details or downloaded the document, click Done to finish the process. And that's it, you've successfully created API keys in BigCommerce for your developers. These keys will allow seamless integration with your e-commerce platform, enabling custom functionalities and enhancements. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy developing!